What's up, guys? I'm here with Pablo. It's gonna be a short video today, but I wanted to just share something inspired by a call I just had with someone in my Amazon FBA course. So we were doing some product validation on the call, kind of going over a product that they had found in the research process. They wanted my opinion on it, and actually everything checked out. I didn't get to actually see the financials, which is a big, it's probably the biggest thing. Marielle's recording. Marielle, wouldn't you say it's probably the biggest thing?
Yes.
Yes, because I mean, we're doing it to make money,
Yeah.
right? So he didn't share the financials with me, but assuming those check out, I won't say what product it was. I'm not going to blow up his spot, but it definitely had at least a 35% profit margin. He told me what the base cost was, and I saw what it was selling for. So it was a little bit under $2 per unit, selling at ranging from $12 to $16 on the high end. But the reason I wanted to make this video was we came up with a nice way, after evaluating the competition, of standing out. And it's not going to cost him anything. I mean, when I say anything, we're talking in the range of $12 to $20 a year. A year. Not month, not day, not week. Year. By offering a freebie with his Amazon FBA product. This freebie, you guessed it, it's going to be digital. And, it's something that pretty much anybody can implement. Now, how you go about doing it's going to vary based on the category you're selling in. This product, if he chooses to launch it, is in the home and kitchen, or I don't think it's home and kitchen anymore, it's just kitchen, right? Something like that. It's in the kitchen category, and you'll never guess. But I was like, hey, show ways people can utilize this product without naming it and make good food. You know what I mean? Digital download, ebook, easy. Have your supplier either include an insert, maybe they can put the branding on the product. It all depends on what you're selling. Typically, they can put either a website URL, a QR code, whatever it is. I definitely put URLs on my products when I can get away with it. Right, Pablo? Is that a good idea? Yeah, so Pablo's freezing, I'm freezing. Yesterday was warm, today's cold, but short video inspired by a call I just had. Wanted to get it out there in case you guys, will benefit from that idea. Ebooks, they're free. So include a little digital download with your FBA products if it makes sense to. It's easy to implement, low cost, quick. I already said easy, but I'm going to say it again, easy to do. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.